Kuwait Sat-1 is the first Kuwaiti satellite initiated by a team of experts from both the College of Science and the College of Engineering at Kuwait University.
The program involves designing a mission from scratch, allowing students to perform all related design components.
There are two main objectives of Kuwait Sat-1. The first objective focuses on training and developing human resources to design a space mission from the start to the end. The second objective is to develop the infrastructure for the first space lab and ground station at Kuwait University. This space lab will be the national investment for future space missions and for the education in the state of Kuwait.
Kuwait Sat-1 offers a unique training program for students. The program involves designing a mission from scratch, allowing students to perform all related design components from mission concepts to budget calculations and trade-off studies. Students will be able to defend their mission design during the preliminary design review and during the critical design review. The training program also gives deeper insight into the basics of orbital mechanics and satellite technologies and their applications.
Sensors identifying the orientations of any satellites are extremely important. A secondary objective of Kuwait Sat-1 is to find a new solution in case one of the orientation sensors fails. The youth involved will be using the images taken by the camera on board to identify the orientation. In case of any orientation sensor failed, students will create a software to identify the orientation using camera images.
I'm working as a part of the Attitude Determination and Control subsystem. Our system is designed to allow the satellite to maintain its orientation in space and to ensure that our payload is stable. Attitude is determined by mounted sensors and is controlled through actuators.
I'm a part of the electrical power subsystem team. This system is very vital for powering the whole CubeSat and the subsystems after launching to achieve the mission objectives. This system and its components are responsible for converting the solar radiance into electrical power, regulating the generated electrical power to different voltage levels, then distributing it to the other subsystems.
The method of remote sensing depends on the electromagnetic radiation reflected or emitted. Being a physicist at Kuwait University Physics Department, we develop and validate models to retrieve geophysical parameters.
Some of the application of Kuwait Sat-1 is to monitor the pollution in the coastal area of Kuwait and the Gulf and to build schemes and master planning for urban expansion.
The command and data handling subsystem regulates the flight operations and commands amongst the CubeSat subsystems. We can call it the brain of the CubeSat as it forms an essential part of the satellite on both the ground and the orbit levels.
As a marine scientist, I hope that joining this project will help me build my knowledge and also conduct a lot of research that will help Kuwait on the long term, especially in the environmental field, because I am very interested in the environment and the conservation of the environment.